Hello friends, so today I'm going to do a short video about how I did my own retrofit, DIY retrofit on a backup camera on E65, E66. Basically it's the same thing. So let me show you very quick how I did it. So as you can see, the camera is mounted in here. I tried to mount it in the same position like the key fob. So I did my own measurements from here to here, same here from here to here, and I drill a hole. So I mount the camera. It's very easy, very simple thing. And the wiring, it's in this part and it's going in here. So through here, and then from here goes to the front part of the car. So this is how I did it, and I hope it will be helpful for you. I'll show. Oh, just a second. Oh, sorry, I don't have the key with me, so you already see how it works, the backup camera. So thank you guys, later.